The spreadsheet on screen does not fully display the contents of columns B, C, and D. We are not able to see the contents of these columns because they are too narrow. There are two methods to adjust the width of columns. First, I will explain the method in which all columns get adjusted to the same width at the same time. The steps to do this are shown on the screen. Let's try this. First, I select the columns B, C, and D. Second, I position the mouse cursor on the right side border of column B. As you can see, the mouse cursor changes to a double black arrow pointing to the left and right. Third, I press the left button of the mouse, and while keeping it pressed, I move the mouse to the left to make the columns narrower, or to the right to make the columns wider. Finally, now that the columns have the desired width, I release the left button of the mouse. As you can see, this method evenly adjusts the width of several columns at once. Now, I will explain the second method in which the width of a column or several columns get automatically adjusted to the width of their contents. The steps to do this are shown on the screen. I will follow these steps to automatically adjust the width of columns B, C, and D. First, I select the columns B, C, and D. Second, I position the mouse cursor on the right side border of column C. As you can see, the mouse cursor changes to a double black arrow pointing to the left and right. Third, I double-click the left button of the mouse. As you can see, this method automatically adjusts the width of several columns at once according to the longest text in every column selected. This method saves you time because Excel makes the adjustment for you. Hi there! You've landed at the right place because we have what you need to transform you from an Excel novice to an Excel guru at your workplace in no time. Don't waste time and sign up for the free Excel tutorial today. Take a chance and enjoy your journey to a better life. Sign up at www.excelatwork.org.